Just dial *141#, select use points to get whatever you want. Free minutes, free MBs, free SMSs. Alternatively, you can use the MyMTN app to get your free minutes, MBs and SMSs. Here's how. Go to the app menu, choose MTN Senkyu. It will show you the amount of SMSs, voice minutes and data bundles you can get with your Senkyu points. You can also use your Senkyu points to pay for shopping using MTN MoMoPay at any merchant point. Just dial *165*3# and enter the merchant code. Then enter the amount and select MTN Senkyu points as a payment method. Or you can use the MyMTN app. Isn't that great? Your MTN Senkyu points can help you save on shopping as well as on your voice and data costs. Remember, the more MTN services you use, the more points you get.
Everywhere you go, MTN.